Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to make this super easy dog cake. We're gonna start off with our ingredients. We're gonna start off by measuring our peanut butter. Once I have that measured, I'm gonna set it to the side so I can measure the rest of my ingredients. Here I am measuring the applesauce. I couldn't find the jar at my local Dollar Tree, so they only had the squeezables, and that's why I'm using them. But it was honestly super easy, and just for reference, I only used 1 pack. And now we're going to combine all of our ingredients: our peanut butter, oil, applesauce, our 2 eggs, the milk, and then we're going to whisk everything together. I used a hand whisk, but honestly I don't know why. I could have just used my KitchenAid mixer. But you can honestly do it either or, they both work. And once we have everything blended and mixed and well combined, we're going to get our carrots. Now for some reason, I don't know why I got the baby carrots. I should have just got the whole carrots. It would have been so much easier because it was so hard to shred it, but it's okay, it worked out anyways. And now we're going to add our oat flour, and of course you already know we're going to blend it all up. And honestly, it does not look bad. Like, it looks edible if you ask me, and I actually tried it because you could try it. Everything it has, it's obviously human safe to eat, and it doesn't even taste bad. It tastes like peanut butter and carrots. So this recipe calls for 2 8-inch pans, but I actually ended up using these 4-inch small pans. And now it is time to make our buttercream, or should I say potato cream. Here I am checking the cakes and they are done. I used a knife, but you can also use a stick just to make sure they are done in the middle. And I pulled them out, I let them cool off for a little bit, and then I flipped them over, and look how cute they look. They look so cute. So for the buttercream, I used the potatoes with some yogurt, and let me tell you that my dogs absolutely love this. I gave them a little bit to try before putting it on the cake, and they went crazy. Now my only complaint would be I didn't let it mix completely because the buttercream still had potato chunks, so definitely make sure that you get a very nice and smooth buttercream. And then here I am putting it on the cake. It was super easy to frost. And here you can actually see the chunks of the potatoes on the cake, so make sure you blend it very good. And then of course I added a little bit of food coloring to the potatoes so I can add these little cute details just to make it look prettier. And this clip is of course my dog enjoying it. Happy birthday to my big baby. And of course she had to share with her big sister. And yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios!